Meaning of learning curve.
Learning curve.
Learning curve.
Learning curve.
Learning curve. The term learning curve refers to the graphical representation of the rate at which an individual or organization learns a new task or skill over time. In other words, it describes how quickly someone becomes proficient in a particular activity, often by plotting the number of hours spent on the task against performance or knowledge gained. The term is commonly used in business, education, psychology, and other fields to describe the process of acquiring new knowledge or skills. The curve typically starts off with a steep incline, indicating that a lot of learning is taking place, but flattens out as proficiency increases.